Hi everyone, my name is Aparna Bhatia, and this week's tech tip is going to be about the line options tool within our truss module. So the line options tool is typically used to identify what backend data has been assigned to each one of these envelope lines. So like this has to be a top chord, that has to be a top chord, that has to be a heel, this has to be a bottom chord. So basically what options or what has been set for each of those lines. So sometimes what ends up happening is we may select one of our envelopes and maybe go HI and just maybe we might have modified it a little too much to the point that we might have copied a top chord as our bottom chord. So here I'm just deleting our heels, and what I'm going to do is go to modify and just trim our edges here. Okay, and I'm just going to make a different type of truss over here. So now I have this nice little envelope created. What I want to do is I want to make a scissor truss out of it. But nope, I got an error that says a custom truss with more than one peak was found in the selection. How is that possible? I see only one peak, right? So that means there's something going on in the backend data here. So let's click on line options and see what each line was assigned. So we'll click on this one, and you'll notice that this one says top track, which is correct. Then we'll do it again. We'll click on that one. That one also says top track, so that's one peak for sure. And now let's click on line options and click on this bottom one. Ooh, that also says top track. What I might have done is I might have copied the top track to make it at bottom track, which is why this might have been assigned as a top track as well, because that's what the backend data was assigned for that line. So what I can do now is I can say, no, you're actually supposed to be a bottom track. Let's make you a bottom track and hit OK. Now let's try to create my scissor truss, and you'll notice it will allow me to do just that. All right, that's a quick tutorial on how to use the line options tool. Hope you have a great day.